Before we start, quick show of hands in the comments. How many of you are over 60? Drop your age right now. I need to know who I'm talking to. 89% of Americans your age are making this one deadly mineral mistake right now, and it's causing sudden leg cramps, sleepless nights, and dangerous heart palpitations. You could be next. But here's what's really shocking. The solution isn't some expensive pill. It's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Pause this video and answer me honestly. Do you get leg cramps that wake you up at night? Comment yes or no below. I'll wait. Stay until the end because I'm about to reveal the #1 food that can end your suffering in just 12 minutes. But first, if you're learning something new already, smash that like button to help other seniors find this life-saving information. Wait, let me ask you something that might shock you. How many of you right now are thinking, another health video promising miracles? I get it. We seniors have heard it all before, haven't we? But that sudden searing leg cramp that rips you from your sleep at 3 in the morning, that's not normal aging. That frustrating feeling of being tired but wired, unable to calm your racing mind. That's not just getting older. The unnerving flutter in your chest that makes you wonder if something's seriously wrong with your heart. Your body is screaming at you. Quick question. Raise your hand if you've ever had a doctor dismiss your symptoms as just part of aging. Comment dismissed if that's you. I see you, and you're not alone. For those of us over 60, these aren't just random annoyances. We know better. These are desperate whispers from our bodies, urgent signs of a profound hidden deficiency that's quietly sabotaging our health every single day. Here's what's really shocking. And hit that subscribe button if this surprises you. This isn't some rare exotic condition. We're talking about a mineral deficiency so common among seniors that it affects up to 60% of adults over 50. And for those over 60, that number jumps even higher. Comment below right now. Have you ever been tested for mineral deficiencies? Write tested or never. I'm curious about our community here. But before I reveal the #1 miracle food that can change everything, I need to warn you about something that could make this entire video useless. There are 3 white thieves hiding in your kitchen right now. And if you don't eliminate them first, even the best foods won't save you. Pause the video. Go to your kitchen and count how many white products you see. Bread, sugar, salt, pasta. Count them and comment the number below. Do it now, I'll wait. This could be the difference between success and total failure. In my decades of helping seniors reclaim their vitality, I've discovered that one criminally underaddressed issue is a critical lack of what I call the master calming mineral, magnesium. Quick poll. Who here has heard of magnesium deficiency? Comment knew it or news to me right now. Let me tell you about Robert. And if you're relating to his story, give this video a thumbs up. Robert was a retired librarian from Phoenix who came to see me last year. Robert was 72. And he described his condition perfectly. He said, "I felt like my body's electrical wiring was completely frayed." Sound familiar? Comment, "That's me," if you feel the same way. Robert's muscles would twitch and spasm without warning. His sleep was an absolute wreck. He'd lie awake for hours with constant anxiety he couldn't explain, no matter how tired he was. But here's the plot twist that changes everything. And share this video if you want to help another senior avoid Robert's mistake. Robert was doing everything right according to conventional wisdom. He was eating what he thought was a healthy diet. He was taking his daily walks around the neighborhood. He was following his doctor's orders to the letter. But he was missing the one crucial mineral that controls over 300 essential functions in your body. When magnesium levels drop below optimal, here's what happens inside your body, and this will terrify you. Your muscles literally can't relax properly, leading to those excruciating nighttime cramps. Your nervous system can't calm down naturally, causing chronic anxiety and devastating insomnia. Your heart's delicate electrical rhythm becomes unstable, leading to those frightening palpitations. Stop everything. This next part is crucial. Who here is taking blood pressure medication? Comment BP meds if that's you. You need to hear this. 3 powerful forces are working against us seniors every single day, and most Americans over 60 have no idea they're under attack. First, as we age, our digestive system becomes significantly less efficient at absorbing magnesium from food. The stomach acid that's crucial for mineral absorption decreases. It's like trying to water a garden with a hose that has smaller and smaller holes every year. Second, many of the most common medications prescribed to seniors actively deplete our magnesium levels like thieves in the night. Blood pressure medications, acid reflux drugs, diuretics, even some antibiotics are constantly pulling magnesium out of your system. Third, chronic stress acts like a voracious monster that devours magnesium. Every time you worry about your health, your finances, your family, your body burns through its magnesium stores at an alarming rate. Think of magnesium as the calm, firm manager of your entire body. It's the mineral that tells your muscles to release their tension, commands your nerves to settle down and relax, and instructs your heart to beat steadily and calmly. When this crucial manager is missing from your system, complete chaos ensues throughout your body. This is why cutting-edge nutrition experts now believe that while the standard government recommendation for magnesium is around 420 milligrams for men and 320 for women, seniors may actually need between 500 and 700 milligrams daily just to counteract these three powerful forces. But here's the incredible news. Food, and one specific food group in particular, can become your most powerful medicine. We're going to build you a complete, scientifically backed magnesium restoration plan that works. Let's start with your foundation, the supporting cast. These are foods that should be appearing on your plate regularly. Dark leafy greens, specifically spinach. 1 cup of properly cooked spinach delivers about 157 milligrams of bioavailable magnesium. But here's critical wisdom most people never learn. Raw spinach contains natural compounds called oxalates, which actually block magnesium absorption. The simple solution: always cook your spinach. Next up, here's some good news that'll make you smile. Avocado and high-quality dark chocolate are both excellent sources of magnesium. Half of a ripe avocado gives you a solid magnesium boost. Just 1 ounce of premium dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, provides over 60 milligrams of easily absorbable magnesium. Now, let's meet the power players. These really start moving the needle on your magnesium levels dramatically. Legumes like black beans and fatty fish like wild-caught salmon. 1 cup of properly prepared black beans packs about 120 milligrams of magnesium. The key is proper preparation. Soaking your dried beans overnight, then cooking them in a pressure cooker, dramatically reduces anti-nutrients called phytates that keep magnesium trapped. Wild-caught salmon is a double winner. Not only does it provide substantial magnesium, but it also delivers powerful anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids that work hand in hand with magnesium to calm your entire nervous system. Now, we've assembled your supporting cast. Comment "ready" if you're following along. It's time to meet the undisputed champion, the #1 food group that can literally change your life starting tonight. Drumroll, please. Comment drumroll emojis below. The champion is seeds, but not just any seeds. Question time. Before I reveal the exact seeds, who here has pumpkin seeds in their pantry right now? Comment "got them" or "need them." Seeds are without question nature's most concentrated, most bioavailable source of this master calming mineral. Let's talk about the star player first. Pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas, just 1/4 cup, which is really just a small handful of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds, delivers nearly 200 milligrams of highly absorbable magnesium. That's almost half of your entire daily requirement in a simple, delicious snack. Do this right now. If you have pumpkin seeds, go grab a handful and eat them while watching. Comment "eating seeds" when you do it. I tell all my patients to keep a small glass jar of organic, raw pumpkin seeds right on their kitchen counter where they can see them every day. Sprinkle them on your Greek yogurt in the morning. Toss them into your salads at lunch. Stir them into your oatmeal. Or just grab a handful as an afternoon snack. But if pumpkin seeds are the star player, there's another seed that I consider the absolute greatest of all time when it comes to magnesium content, the undisputed champion of all seeds. Hemp hearts, also called hemp seeds. Gram for gram, hemp seeds are one of the richest magnesium sources on planet Earth, with some laboratory analyses showing up to 700 milligrams per 100 grams. You don't need to eat that much. Just 2 to 3 tablespoons of organic hemp hearts mixed into your morning smoothie, can give you a massive magnesium boost of over 150 milligrams to start your day off right. Save this video right now so you can reference this exact formula later. Hemp hearts have a mild, nutty flavor that blends perfectly into smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even sprinkled on top of salads. They're completely legal, contain zero THC, and are available at most health food stores and even many regular grocery stores now. Now for those 3 white thieves I promised to expose. This could save your life, so share this video right now. White thief number 1 is white sugar. Comment guilty if you eat sugar daily. Every single time you eat sugar in any form, your body is forced to use its precious magnesium stores to process and metabolize it. Sugar provides absolutely zero magnesium to your body, but demands enormous amounts of it, creating a massive net loss every time you indulge. White thief number 2 is white flour. Comment bread addict if that's you. All those refined white flour products, white bread, regular pasta, pastries, crackers, have all been stripped of their bran and germ during processing. The bran and germ are exactly the parts that contain all the magnesium. You're eating empty calories that actually cost your body magnesium to metabolize. White thief number 3 is refined white salt. Comment salt shaker if you use table salt. Natural unprocessed sea salt is actually rich in magnesium and dozens of other essential trace minerals, but standard table salt has been heavily processed, bleached, and stripped of everything except sodium chloride. Challenge time. Who's willing to eliminate one white thief this week? Comment which one you'll eliminate. Sugar, flour, or salt. These 3 white ingredients aren't just nutritionally empty. They're actively harmful because they create a dangerous magnesium deficit in your body every single day. They're like having a hole in your bucket while you're trying to fill it with water. So here's your simple, powerful action plan that can start working tonight. Start with the champions, pumpkin seeds, and hemp hearts. Make them a daily habit. Build your meals around the power players, properly prepared beans, and wild-caught fish. Fill in the nutritional gaps with your supporting cast, cooked leafy greens, avocado, and high-quality dark chocolate. Most importantly, fire the 3 white thieves from your kitchen completely. Throw out the white sugar, white flour products, and refined salt. Replace them with natural alternatives like raw honey, sprouted grain breads, and mineral-rich sea salt. This food-first approach is the safest, most sustainable, and most effective way to restore your magnesium levels naturally. Your body knows how to use food-based minerals far better than synthetic supplements. However, I don't want to dismiss the potential role of high-quality supplements completely. If your symptoms of magnesium deficiency are severe, if you have inflammatory bowel disease, if you're taking multiple medications that deplete magnesium, or if you have trouble digesting food properly, a high-quality magnesium supplement like magnesium glycinate can be incredibly helpful as part of your overall plan. Your health situation is completely unique to you, so if you have any concerns about magnesium supplementation, especially if you're taking prescription medications, speaking with your personal physician is always the wisest next step. Remember Robert? Within 2 weeks, his nighttime leg cramps completely disappeared. Within a month, he was sleeping peacefully for the first time in years. Within 6 weeks, his anxiety was gone, and those heart palpitations that used to terrify him vanished completely. Visualization exercise. Close your eyes for 5 seconds and imagine waking up refreshed, muscles relaxed, mind calm. Comment, I can see it if you felt that vision. He told me, I feel like I got my body back. I wake up refreshed instead of exhausted. My muscles feel relaxed and strong. My mind is calm and clear. I wish I had known about this years ago. You have that same transformation waiting for you. Subscribe right now if you want more natural health solutions that actually work for seniors. This isn't just about adding a mineral to your diet. This is about reclaiming your peaceful, restorative sleep. This is about calming your heart and nervous system. This is about silencing those painful muscle cramps that have held you hostage for too long. You have the power within you to feed your body exactly what it truly needs to find its natural balance again. The solution isn't hiding in some expensive pill bottle at the pharmacy. It's waiting for you in the simple, powerful wisdom of real whole foods that have been nourishing human bodies for thousands of years. Your body wants to heal. Your body wants to feel strong and calm and energized. All you have to do is give it the raw materials it needs to do what it already knows how to do perfectly. Your homework. Which magnesium champion will you buy this week? Comment pumpkin seeds or hemp hearts to commit publicly. Your future self will thank you. Final challenge. Share this video with one person over 60 who needs this information. Comment shared when you do it. Let's build a community of healthy, empowered seniors. Which symptoms will you eliminate first? The leg cramps, the insomnia, or the heart palpitations? Your journey to better sleep, calmer nerves, and pain-free muscles starts with your very next meal. Ring that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'm revealing the #1 brain food that reverses memory loss after 60. You won't want to miss it. Take care of yourself. You deserve to feel amazing at any age.